HARP has several account recovery options in case you forget your ID, password, can't access your multi-factor authentication device, or can't recover your account using your credentials. To access the account recovery options, click on the Having Trouble Logging In link on the HARP login page. If you forget your HARP ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password. Then, simply enter the email address associated with your HARP account and click Send Email to receive an email containing your user ID and a link to reset your password. If you need to reset your password, click the Reset Password button in the email. This will take you to a page that will verify your identity using a challenge question. If you do not remember the answer to your challenge question, you will need to do a full account recovery, which is covered later in this video. Upon successfully answering your challenge question, enter a valid new password. Confirm your new password and click Reset Password. You should now be able to log in with your user ID and new password. If you cannot access your multi-factor authentication device, select Add Two-Factor Device on the Account Recovery page. This will redirect you to the login page. Enter your credentials and click Login. On the two-factor authentication page, select the Add New Device link. This will take you to a page that will verify your identity using your challenge question. If you do not remember the answer to your challenge question, you will need to do a full account recovery. Upon successfully answering your challenge question, you may enter a new multi-factor authentication device by selecting a device type. If you opt to use Google Authenticator, Okta Verify, or Okta Verify Push, follow the additional instructions to complete setup. Otherwise, enter any required fields and click Send Code. You should receive a security code. If not, click the Resend Code link. Enter your security code and click Submit. Once you're redirected to the Setup Two-Factor Authentication page, verify that the proper device has been added and click Complete Setup. You may now use this new two-factor authentication device to log in. In the case you can't recover your account through resetting your password or configuring multi-factor authentication devices, select Full Account Recovery on the Account Recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your HARP account along with your first name, last name, and date of birth and click Send Email to receive instructions for recovering your account. You should receive an email with the subject Account Recovery Requested. Click the Recover Account button. This will take you to a page that allows you to reset your challenge question and answer. Select the challenge question, enter your answer, and click Reset Challenge Question. Upon successfully resetting your challenge question, you will receive a new email with the subject line Account Recovery Requested Temporary Password. Log into HARP with your user ID and the temporary password included in the email. Once successfully logged in, you will be redirected to the Change Password screen in which you can enter the new temporary password in the old password field and set a new valid password. After completing the fields, click Change Password. Your password should now be updated and can be used to access your HARP account. If you have any questions or run into any issues with these account recovery options, please contact the CCSQ Service Center Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. by phone. We hope you found this helpful. For any additional information on HARP user profile, please visit harp.cms.gov/help.